Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use trending audio in Edits. All right. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Instagram Edits app. And once you're in here, either you open up a draft or make another project. Now, for example, I'm just going to use this draft right here. I'm just going to tap on it. And here we have my photo. Now, to be able to use a trending audio, we have two options right here at the bottom left or at the top of our media. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to tap on add audio right here. I'm just going to mute it, terms of service. Now, in here, as you can see, we are in the audio library of Instagram Edits. Now, to be able to use trending audios, we have it in here in these tabs. Okay. Just tap on trending. And as you can see here, we have the list of trending audios at the moment. All right. When you can see a green arrow right here going up, that means the music or the audio itself is popping off. All right. Or it's getting popular. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to select this audio right here. Just going to tap on it. Now you'll hear a preview. Okay. Now you're going to want to go ahead and tap on the right arrow key right here for this music to join the editing section. Just tap on it. All right. In here, you can go ahead and select the section where you wanted to add in your editing section. All right. And as you might notice here, we have this pink dot. That means that is the best audio clip for your project. All right. You're going to want to tap on it. And here we have it starting from the pink line. There you go. And once that's done, just hit on the done button right here at the top right. And you now have a music. That's basically how you do it. If you're happy with it, just go ahead and tap on export. And if you want to add in some sound effects, we have that in here. Okay. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.